Welcome to the Matheson method. So you want to grow your YouTube channel from 0 subscribers? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to go from 0 to hero fast. I'm Chase Matheson, and I've been obsessed with YouTube growth tips and tricks, and I want to bring you guys along for the ride. So if you want to learn how to grow your channel, keep watching to learn more. Lately, you might have been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but not having the proper equipment or fear of being on camera or anything else might stop you from doing it. I'm here to tell you, you just have to start. Nowadays, you can just use your cell phone and there's really nothing to lose. Also, you have to start getting comfortable with being on camera, and this comes with practice. So really, if you're not ready to make videos yet, you should start getting used to being in front of the camera and just practicing. But sooner than later, start getting those videos up. Everyone cringes at their first videos, and this is a stepping stone you have to cross. But you'll be glad you did. Imagine if one of those first videos got tons of views. Wouldn't that be awesome? This is very unlikely, but if it happened, you'll never know unless you actually get out there and start posting on YouTube. And if you've already started your channel, check your analytics. I bet most of the views aren't coming from subscribers, and this is normal for YouTubers big and small. But the good news is you are getting views on your videos, and if you just keep focusing on making good content, the rest will follow. But if you aren't getting the views, I'll be discussing later in this video how to give them a fighting chance. First things first, you have to niche down. Normally when people start on YouTube, they're all over the place. But on this platform, you really got to pick a single niche and stick with it to grow. Put yourself in the viewer's shoes, and you're making tutorial videos one day, and then the next day you're doing a vlog, and then all of a sudden you're doing an awesome workout video. So they see this awesome workout video and they subscribe to your channel, but you never do a workout video again. Do you think they will stay subscribed? I don't think so. I'm very interested on seeing what kind of channels you guys are making. Comment down below what your plans are, or if you have a niche picked out already. If you stick to one niche, you'll get way more subscribers per view. Also, if all of your videos are falling under the same niche, you'll start showing up in the suggested tab of your videos. And this is a step in the right direction. If someone likes your content, there's a very good chance they'll click on another one of your videos in the suggested tab. If this all goes well and you keep people on the platform, YouTube will notice and start putting your videos in the suggested feed of other content creators in your niche. Also, I'm sorry about this one, but most people don't want to see your life, sadly. You have to make things that people want to see. Most of these big vloggers already had a huge following before they started. Now, don't let me stop you if that's your passion and you really want to go that way. It's just going to take a lot of hard work to build an audience from scratch. But for the sake of this video, we're going to say drones is our niche. A great way to find what's doing well in your niche is to use YouTube to your advantage. I like opening an internet browser in private mode so YouTube isn't affected by your previous search results. After your YouTube is in a private browser, just search up your niche, drones in this case, and filter out the videos with the top views in the last month or even week. All these videos are a great way to get ideas for your own channel because these are the top performing videos in your niche right here, right now. This can really help you come up with the keywords that you want for your videos, title, and description to get the search traffic you want for your channel. After you start getting search traffic like this, and you keep people watching your videos, the views and subscribers will naturally follow. Once you get to this point and you're uploading videos, now you have to start working on audience retention. The number one thing YouTube hates is when people leave their platform. Your main goal here is to keep people on YouTube as long as possible so your videos start getting recommended. Luckily, you can check all of this in your analytics and see where you're doing good or where you need improvement. Do you see a video that you can maybe make a sequel, a 2, 3, or 4 of it? This is a really good way to make a video idea last longer, and a lot of channels do this. Also, you can see where your audience retention drops in your analytics, and you should take notes of where people are leaving your videos and try not to recreate these moments. By this point, you might be wondering, how do I get people to watch my videos in the first place? And this all comes down to a percentage called click-through rate. Click-through rate is how many times people actually click on your video every time it gets shown. And the average percentage for click-through rate is between 4 and 5%. So if you can beat those numbers, you're laughing. Your title and thumbnail will be the number one thing that affect how good your click-through rate will be. The title of your video is important because it has the keywords people need to search to find your video on YouTube. If people can't find your video, your thumbnail never has a chance to be clicked. And your thumbnail being clicked is so important. This is the number one thing that affects your click-through rate. You can search video ideas in your niche to see what thumbnails are getting the most views. This will give you ideas of what's been done already or where you need to focus your attention. The best advice I can give you is just to start posting videos. YouTube gives you all the feedback you need in your analytics. And when you start getting a collection of videos, it'll start showing you which thumbnails are doing good and which ones aren't. Make more thumbnails with the high click-through rates, but don't give up on the videos with the low click-through rates. You can still change their thumbnail. And when you change their thumbnail with a fresh new look, you can look in the analytics and see if that new thumbnail affects the click-through rate positively or negatively and go from there. Now that you've got your thumbnail, title, and your videos going up all in a single niche, now you have to focus on trying to get your videos in the suggested tab of your own videos. Once you do that, the chances of someone clicking more and more of your videos and binge watching them are greatly increased. This only happens if you've niched down though. Make sure to put end screens or cards in your videos linking similar content. If you see low audience retention in one of your videos, that's a perfect spot to put a card right there. Over time, your videos will start showing up in your suggested feed, and if all goes well, you start getting recommended to other popular videos from other creators in your niche. I'm going to keep making videos all about YouTube, so subscribe if you don't want to miss out. Remember to never give up. YouTube's a marathon and not a race. These things take time, so please don't get discouraged. It's never too late to start. More and more of the world is switching to online videos as the years go on. If you keep at it and changing things based off your analytics, it will pay off in the end. And when you see something that's working, make more videos like it. If you have high audience retention but low click-through rates, try switching out your thumbnails. Remember, persistence is key, and just keep hitting that record button. Adios, and I'll see you in the next one.